ATA is excited to be back at Black Hat again here in 2025. After our highly reviewed training last year, we were excited to return to teach OffSec Pen 200 and Web 300. It's a real honor to instruct at what is arguably the most prominent cybersecurity conference globally.
This has been really beneficial for me.
We're able to get 50 diverse students together, learning from multiple seasoned instructors and from each other.
I would absolutely recommend ATA to anyone here taking a class at Black Hat.
But our enthusiasm is broader than training at Black Hat. It's being engaged in reinforcing the United States' position as the global frontrunner in cybersecurity by fostering collaboration among industry leaders, government agencies, and researchers.
Some are more in academia, some are in industry, some are in government.
The U.S. cyber community is focused on addressing emerging threats like AI-powered attacks and supply chain vulnerabilities. We're committed to building a resilient, skilled cyber ecosystem that outpaces our adversaries.